Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are not new here, welcome again. So we've been learning a lot about mobile development with Ionic, and we've done a lot of stuff, and I'm really proud of you guys, and because this what you've done is really a lot. So if you want to, you can just pause this video and just clap for yourself because you've done a lot of stuff. So in the last video, we like wrote a very like simple game that you can just click and it will give you the answer. If you are right or wrong. It was really a lot of coding, and I want to assume that you guys did it. So if you are new here, it will be good for you to go and watch all the videos that we have before on mobile app development. Like it's step by step, and it's very easy. Like you don't have to have any previous knowledge on programming even and on mobile development. If you follow the video, you will be able to do it. So what do we have today? What do we need to do today? So the last piece of our mobile app is what we want to do, which is this fun fact. We've done that jokes, we've done the code, we've done the game, and then the last thing that we need to do is the fun fact. So how do we do that? So that's why we are here. Okay, so you remember that like in the last video, we don't have enough tabs to for the game. Then we created the tab. Then for fun fact 2, we need to create a tab for it. Okay, so that's the first thing that we are going to do today. So let's do that. So my code is running. If your code is also running, we need to stop it. So we need to press Ctrl C. So I think that will work. So what we need to do is to generate a new page called, let's just call it fun, right? Please call it fun so that we all have the same code, so that we don't have to have issues. So to create a new page, remember I showed you guys last time, but I'll just type the code: Ionic generate page. Then the name of our page is going to be fun. That's all. So Ionic generate page, then fun. Okay, let's just press enter. So that is going to go pretty fast. So you can see it created a page called fun for us. So go to the fun.page.ts. No, not this one, this one. So we'll need this. So just copy this. Okay, so now because we need to add it to our tabs in here, so to add it, we'll have to go to the tabs page, which is this one right here. Okay, so okay, I shouldn't have copied that. Okay, so now we can just copy this, then we'll come back here, then we'll paste it. Okay, so this tab is going to be tab 5, and the href is going to be, I copied it before, it's going to be wait, let's read it. It's fun.page. Okay, so just change this to fun. Then this is going to be, let's call it fun fact. Then the icon that we're going to use, so you remember to get our icon, this is where we get our icons, correct? So again, you can be creative, but you can just search for any icon that you want to use, then you click on it, then you just copy the code, just click it to copy. But I think I want to use this because the balloon signifies fun. So I just click on it, so it says copy, then I change this whole thing, right? So again, if you want to choose any other icon, go for it. So that's for that one. So we've changed it here. Then there's one more last change that we need to do, Okay, so let me come back here again and copy this. So we'll need to go to tabs, routing module. Again, I shouldn't have copied that. So again, be very careful. Copy from these curly braces down here. Don't copy the comma. Then at the end of the comma, press enter. Then you put a comma in there. Okay. So it's gonna be tab 5. And this is not gonna be game anymore. It's gonna be fun. Let's see. We're gonna come up fun. Yes. It's fun that. Then this is gonna be we found something. Yes, font page right there. Yeah, it's smart enough. Okay, so that makes our life easy. So I think that's all we need to add that to our tab. So when I run my code now, so I want you to run your code right now. Don't just start like looking at the video and just write the code. You need to run the code and see if what you are doing is right. Okay, so Ionic serve, so it's gonna pop up it's gonna run the app. Let's give it a second. It's thinking about it. Okay, so it's done thinking. So inspect. So you see right there, fun fact, nice tiny stuff in there. See, our app is almost ready. Are you guys excited about finishing your app? Then you put it on Play Store and your friends can download it. I'm still going to do something that we're going to put our names in the app and our pictures. So when people download the app, then they will see that, oh yeah, it's this guy that actually did it. It's going to be fun actually. So fun fact, so we have the page and everything is empty, of course. Okay, so this fun fact, we're going to do it more like the quote. So we're going to have almost the same thing. Okay, but before we do that, so if you remember, we got the quote from somewhere. So the fun fact, we are going to get it from this. Okay, so you might want to pause the video, but I'll try to put the link in the description. So this is the link of where you get the fun fact. Let me try to make this bigger. It's not bigger. It can be bigger than that. But yeah, so just go to this link and then it will take you here. Then you need to click on download. Okay, download raw file. So you download the raw file. See, I've downloaded it already, so I have double of it. But just go to where you download. You have the download. So this is it for me. So just right click on it and copy. Okay, so now let's go to our Visual Studio Code. Come here under your asset. So we want to put it in our asset, but let's go to where our asset is in our folder. So reveal in Finder. If you're on Windows, it's going to be revealed in Window Explorer or something like that, and this decided to show on another screen. Okay, give me a second, let me get it. So there it is. See all our stuff. So just paste it, fact.json, that's all. Okay, so that was the first thing. Now we need to work on this view. Okay, so like I said, it's gonna be more of code. Okay, so let's go to our and code is tab 2. So let's go to tab 2. So this is tab 2. So let's go to tab 2 here. Okay, so let me try to close something so that this page looks nice. Okay, so we go to tab 2. So in tab 2 we have this import joke data. So now we want to import fun fact data, but let's just copy all of this, then go to your fun page.ts, paste it. So number 1 is not going to be joke data, it's going to be fun data. fun fact, or but just name it this so that you don't have issues. All right. So it's not gonna be jokes anymore. We downloaded something new, and it's called fun fact. Is it still in there? Let me see. It's supposed to pop up. Yeah. Fun fact. So why is it not? Let's see. Oh, it's fact.json. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. So that's done. So the next thing that we did here, so we have this function called Ionic will enter. That means when we load our page, that's what will come up. So carefully copy. Okay, first let's do this. We have this called jokes. So in here, so before this you can go like this before that construction. So copy and paste it. But now it's not going to be jokes. It's going to be fun_fact. Okay, do it like this. Okay, fact with s, and remember they're all lowercase. So that's good. The next thing, we need to copy all of these. So let's put it after this, then you paste. Then you're gonna have a lot of errors, of course. Okay, so we are gonna fix that, like the errors. So the first thing that I want us to do, so if you have this, you can delete it, but if you don't have it, it's fine. So down here, we are gonna create a new variable called data. So let data be equal to fun data, which is up here. So fun data facts. So you're still going to get error, of course. So just to explain what I'm trying to do here, if you open the fact.json, so if you see inside that fact.json, we have something called fact count, which is 2502 fun fact. So we don't need this information, we only need this fact. So this fact is everything. So that's why I'm saying that get my data, and my data is going to be fun fact dot fact, which is everything in here, which is an array, like list of elements, you can say it that way. Okay, so now this is going to change to data because we have a new variable called data, and that one should be good. Then this one's going to be data too. This is going to be data. How am I spelling data? All right. So then this one is data too. This one is data. So now we're not going to say this dot fun fact is equal to data. Boom. And we are done with the code. Then the error should go away. Haha. So now, so what we are going to put in our view. So let's come back here again. So let's tab2.html, tab2.page.html, copy everything, then go to the fun.page.html. So Control A, then Control V this. All right. So this first thing that we need to do is change this one to fun fact. Okay. So wait, was it tab 2 or tab? No, it's tab 3. Sorry. So we need to copy from tab 3, not tab 2. Tab 3. Yeah. So Control A, Control C. Then we go to here. Yes. So fact. Good. So then you remember we don't have quote anymore. So what do we have in place of quote is fun facts. So you replace that with fun fact. Then this one we call it fact. Then we don't have quote or author or anything, so we can delete this one, then make this one just fact. So let's see what it should work now. You should see all our fun facts. It says a rat can fall from a 5-story building without injury. Wow. It says clocks made before 1660 had only one hand, and hour hand. So you see there are so many fun facts here. So yeah, so this page, you see it's very easy. So but one thing you see that this one is colored, this one is not colored, right? So it's because our title color CSS is not in the CSS of one page, so we can copy it from anywhere. So copy this, then come here, put this in here, then let's refresh it. So it's coming. So before we continue, so this is showing, like, this is how it's gonna be on iPhone. So I noticed something that when I change it to Android, that this it's gonna show now that it's not showing properly, right? So let's try to kind of fix that. Okay, so to fix that, so in here, in the title color, so let's say put this height is equal to, is it 5 p.m. Let's try this. A little load. Let's see if we can solve that. Oops, that's too much. Okay, so you don't have to do this one. I just want to try to figure something. So okay, 3 here. So you have to make sure that it works for both iOS and Android. Okay, so coming up, so you see it looks good. So let me change it back to iOS. Okay, so we can see that it looks good both on iOS, on iPhone, and on Android. Okay, so that means we need to change it for all of them. So if you see this game page, code page, and that's joke, so all you have to do is copy this. Okay, yeah, copy that. Then when you go to tab 2.css, tab 2, okay, I've put it in my own tab 2. So tab 2, you should put this one in here. Then tab 3, put this in here. Then I think in games page, put this, please save it. Then I think we didn't put it at all in tab 1. Okay, so tab 1, if you go to the CSS, so we don't have it, so put it in here, tab 1. Then go to tab 1.page.html, come here to the title, you say class is equal to this. Okay, so let's test it. So you see it is full, it's full, it's full, it's full, which is really good. All right, that's nice. So the next thing that we want to do, so we're almost done with our app, but when people come to this page, the idea is they can click on it and they'll be able to go to where they want to go. Okay, so we're going to do that, and that's going to be in our tab one. This tab one, so we're going to implement some things in here. So let's go to our tab one and let's come in here. Okay, so we are going to import something and I will show you guys right now. So the first thing that you need to type is this. Make sure that you type it correctly. So it's import, then curly braces, nav controller from at Ionic Angular. Okay, so when you are done with that, then inside this constructor, inside this bracket in here, so type this public nav controller. Okay, so then now come, so we're going to create a function. So let's call that function go to. Remember this, the other T is capital. Okay, so go to, and the parameter that we're going to pass into it is going to be page any. So this, the idea is that when I use this function, I can use it to go to any page that I want to go to. So you guys will see. So the code in that in this is going to be now for page. Okay, so now we have the function. Then again, I'm going to use the function on the page tab one page in here. So for the fun fact, so the column for the fun fact is this right here. So you say when you click on it, this is what you should do. And then for let me get, so for the first column, but for the first, this one right here is going to be 1 2 3 4 5, right? So fun fact is tab 5. Okay, so that means we are going to put this in here. No, it's supposed to be 1. Okay, save that. So that we don't have to type all the time. So just copy this exactly how it is. Then let's go to the next one. So the next one is that jokes on the you know what, I have a couple in the column. So in here, so that jokes, but that joke page is what's the tab? So 1 2, so that's going to be 2. So change this to 2. So the next one is games. So in column A, go to games. So game is what column? 1 2 3 4. So game is this column. Then the next one is quote. So come in here where the quote is. So quote is 1 2 3. So let's save that. So now when I click on it, when I click on let's say games first, so it goes to game. Let's say I go back, I say quote, it goes to quote. Nice. Say that jokes, it goes to that jokes. Then fun fact takes some time to load because there's a lot of data. So fun fact. Okay, so I think that is good. Let me change it back to iPhone. I like iPhone better. So we're able to finish all our pages, and we're able to implement this so that it can go to where we want it to go to. So that this makes selection, they make selection, it goes, and then they can play anything that they want to play. Yeah, so I think that's good for now. So in the next video, we are going to be preparing on how to run our app on a physical phone, like to run the app on your phone, and then how to put the app on Play Store on Google, so that people are like friends and family, your parents can download it and they can see your hard work all this while. So that's for that. So again, thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for watching this. I also have some other videos. I'll be showing them on the screen. If you're interested, you can watch those ones too. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and share this video for someone that needs to learn how to develop mobile apps and they don't have any programming experience, because this is assuming that you don't know anything about programming. It's just you learning by typing, by imitating. Okay, so on that note, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.